Hi, this is a little tutorial on how to use Google Sheets to make averages for you. So you don't have to use your computer or calculator to do that. So I have a data table here. It's got different size tomatoes that I have measured. And I want to average these because they are independent, and I just want to know what the average size for my tomatoes will be for Miracle-Gro. So the first thing you want to make sure you do is you put your cursor in a cell where you want to put your average, right? So if I title this average, then down here is where my first one's going to be. So this is the tomato with the Miracle-Gro. So I've got it in blue, and then I'm going to come up here to where it says FX. Those are formulas. And so what I want to do is put my cursor over in this tab bar, and then to tell the cell to do a formula, you're going to hit the equals button. And then that's going to tell the machine or the sheets that you want to do a formula. So I want it to average. So if I put equals and then average, and then it's giving you a suggestion of what you might want to average. For now, I'm just going to do an open parentheses. Okay, but you can see that B2 is this cell right here. I do want to average B2. I want to average C2, and I want to average D2. Okay, so to get all three of these to highlight, I put my cursor over on 8, right here where B2 is, and you'll see it changes color. Hold down the cursor with your left click, and then you're going to drag until all of the cells that you want to average are highlighted. So that was a left click, hold down, and drag. I'm going to depress that so it comes off. And then I'm just going to hit enter. And then that's going to be my average for those. Now if I want to repeat the same formula down below, there's two ways you can do that. You can come over here and you can make your cursor make that little plus. If it makes a plus, left click, hold down, drag, let go, and now it has copied that same formula, but now it is taking these values. Okay, so again, I'll do Control Z, we'll do that again. Okay, if I want to copy the same formula down here, I'm going to come up to the cell, I'm going to make it a little cross, I'm going to left click, drag, let go, and then there I have my average. And you can come up here and you can go look to see. There's that formula, there are the cells that I'm averaging, and that's how you do that. I hope that was